Hi guys, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. I've got some very bullish news to share with you. Hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Guys, what if Twitter CEO and also Square CEO Jack Dorsey were to put the $10 billion collectively they have in cash into Bitcoin, following the footsteps of MicroStrategy? I think it's certainly possible. Why? Jack is a Bitcoin bull. I mean, just look at his Twitter profile. The only thing in his Twitter profile description is Bitcoin. And we know he got the little icon emoji going on Twitter for Bitcoin. He's been a big advocate of it. He's invested, and he's all on board, guys. I mean, Square launched their crypto division, so he's all on board with this. So the question, or the thought came up, I should say, when Willy Woo tweeted the following, talking about MicroStrategy, where they put $425 million into Bitcoin, and we're seeing Tahini's restaurants, Snappa, and we're seeing companies just deciding to move some of their cash into Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, right? Because we see all the money printing that's happening. So Willie said here, a final note, between Twitter and Square, Jack oversees a cash reserve of $10 billion that's inflating away. He has only one word in his Twitter profile, and that's Bitcoin. Guys, I think Jack could do this. He could be the next, right after MicroStrategy. And, as I've been saying in my videos, MicroStrategy just put up the big green flag for the rest of corporate America to do this. And if we see the likes of Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and others putting their cash reserves in, you will, guys, I mean, think about the next parabolic run-up, what the price points are going to be, right? And this is getting public coverage, right? It's being talked about. And when you get the likes of the Fortune 500 companies doing this, it's going to be on CNBC, Fox Business, and so forth. So big things are ahead. We got to be patient, but we are seeing a trend here. And I also like to reference that the other green flag that was put up that was significant this year was Paul Tudor Jones, right? And giving the green light to the rest of Wall Street and hedge funds to put money into Bitcoin and crypto. So this is exciting. I could absolutely see this. I would put money on this, saying that Jack is going to do some of this, because the guy's already invested in Bitcoin. Square already has a crypto division, and he's obviously a Bitcoin bull. So I think this is certainly likely. Now, guys, moving ahead, this is so significant on multiple levels. So you have this woman who is the managing director, at Experian. What is Experian? They are an investment management firm. She goes on CNBC Squawk Box, mainstream media, right? And says, hey, you know what we're investing in, guys? PayPal. One of the reasons why we're investing in PayPal? Because they're working with merchants to bring crypto into the fold. Boom. Guys, think about this. They are bullish on a company and its stock because they are building for crypto. Let that seep in, right? At one point, crypto was being called a scam, a Ponzi scheme, a fad. Now, it is on the list of reasons to invest in companies. I'm going to play you a clip, but here's what she essentially said. It's at the forefront of all the e-commerce and digital payments. We also like that PayPal is working with merchants to bring crypto into the fold. Wow, guys, this is so telling. So let me play you the clip here.
Okay, so let's talk about a couple of those. I think one of your top picks right now is PayPal. Why?
That's right. It's at the forefront of all the digital, all the e-commerce and digital payments. We think that there's been a huge amount of demand as people have been staying at home, conducting commerce from their couch, from their beds, wherever they're hanging out. And we think that that's going to continue as we move beyond this pandemic, ultimately, and people get out and about more and begin to resume more of a normal life. We also like that PayPal is working with merchants to bring crypto into the fold, and we think that's going to be really important as more of the cryptocurrencies become more mainstream in the years ahead.
Did you catch that last part? That's going to be so important as cryptocurrencies become more mainstream in the years ahead. Guys, this is why I always stress perspective and patience. This is an asset class that is growing. The prices are going to follow. The infrastructure is being built out. All the investments. You have a payments giant like PayPal. We've been talking about it for about 3 to 4 months now, where the rumors came out they are integrating crypto. The ability to buy, sell, spend crypto. And obviously, this woman confirmed here as an investment firm, you can imagine they're doing their due diligence and research, going probably asking PayPal directly and trying to, in those respective circles, hey, what are you guys doing? When is this integration coming? She wouldn't have said this on public, a mainstream media, right? As one of the reasons they are bullish on PayPal. One of it she mentioned was obvious. Due to the pandemic, people are using more e-commerce. PayPal is a big part of that. That was one benefit. The second, she mentioned crypto integration, which she sees as super bullish because crypto is going to grow in popularity with the mainstream. Guys, I mean, wow, right? This may not be getting a bazillion views, a trillion views, billion views, right? But this is so significant. As crypto investors, this is what we want to see and hear. And remember, if as soon as PayPal, and it goes back to my green flag analogy with Paul Tudor Jones, with MicroStrategy, if PayPal comes out with its current user base with Venmo, right? PayPal owns Venmo. And they say, hey guys, come buy Bitcoin and crypto on PayPal. And you can also spend it with PayPal. What do you think is going to happen? We're talking adoption, and we're talking another green flag for other payment companies and just mass exposure to Bitcoin and crypto. We are so lucky we're here early, guys. This is so bullish. I'm not trying to overhype this or anything, but I mean, the facts are the facts. This is not, once again, some random person tweeting here. This is on mainstream media from an investment firm that has nothing to do with crypto. They're talking about stocks, but this woman is bullish. The investment firm is bullish, and she's the managing director, right? They're bullish on PayPal. One of the reasons is because they're going to integrate crypto. I will leave it at that, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. Share this video with someone who's a crypto skeptic. And I will talk to you all later.